Haiding ke Frenchong sungdini nalainai sini thanayo May maso 1 tarik ni simi 31 tarik jora je TRLM ni job talangmani sini afro 01 ta 02 2020 ni je talangmani duita notification anghamani je sini je 02 notice ni aboni date no teisa bari jakfika Frenchong apply khane kom ni bagai nanya di abongkha bari jakfika khana 26 khana 22 June ni simi sengnai sini 6 July jora apply khaima pinai Frenchong ajagawo website thangai apply online no thangai kena apply khaimanai jara apply khaijagya nor apply khai Frenchong jara khainani sujung marglia borok khaidi afro tinta post tongmani MIS assistant o 02 notification number afro accountant arpore account assistant ajagawo graduate degree in commerce account assistant bagai arpore accountant bagai bo honors graduate in commerce haike graduate degree in commerce abong haike 2 year experience amti ki hok samani takisa MS assistant engangke graduate degree in computer science graduate degree haike computer application degree khajak nanangnai amti kok saka graduate in any discipline with O level course computer course khajak ngake graduate haike bori manai amti kok samani Frenchong jara khaimarglia norong bagai tise khobor kaham sini 6 tarik jora apply khaidi gai norok o notification ni je link ang video description or nai norok notification nai mano haike agi ang phaso notification jeromani a video bo nongni or video description ang link re nai jara apply khaimarglia commerce haike computer no degree khaijaro norong bagai te sujok gasung no te sujok no